Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Okay, for today we're going to have unboxing and a little bit of product review. So this is it, guys. We bought it from
Digital World,
somewhere in Gadong. So this is actually Sophia's things, and she wants to do some unboxing for it. So let's get started. So first, Sophia, you show what is that?
It's a Blackhead remover.
It's brand Sokany, I think. How they pronounce it? Sokany. Sokany or Sokany, whatsoever. So this is for what?
To remove blackheads.
Yes.
It's a vacuum, right?
It's like vacuum for the face, you know, for the whitehead, blackhead, like that. It's 4-in-1 blackhead remover SK310 from Sokany. I don't know. Okay, so this is price is $19. Okay, so the inside is
four tubes and the vacuum itself.
We open first. We'll show them what is inside. And the nice thing about this, guys, is they have a warranty, 1-year warranty. So it's very good.
Okay, these are the tubes, and this is the vacuum.
Okay, so I think this one have to charge first for about
10 minutes.
10 minutes. Okay, this is the looks, guys. It's like, you know, temperature for the ear, something like that. So this is our first time to have like this. It's white color, and the tube, it's this one. I think there's a different size of the hole.
This one is the strongest one.
Is it?
Yeah. This one, the smallest one.
Okay. And this one, where to charge this one?
Like a mobile phone.
Like charger. You can use your charger to charge this one, and then the on-off somewhere here. Oh. You hear that, guys? There's a vibrate sound.
There's
so
3
number
levels.
1. The number 2.
Oh, please.
The number 3. I'm not sure if you guys can see the lights. Okay.
Try using your hand.
This is actually, guys, the warranty card. It said here it's 1-year warranty. That is good for the price of $19 actually. It's cheap and it has a warranty. And it also have the something like sponge. We are not yet sure where to use this one. Okay. And the second item she bought from Digital World is for the hair straightener. This one, guys.
Purple.
Also same brand. And it costs
$15.
It's only $15. Okay, see, $15. So cheap, and it also have a warranty. It's also 1 year. Okay, there's 2 cards for warranty. So we like those kind of products with warranty in case So the inside, Sophia. Color is, what color is that?
Purple.
Purple.
Oh. That's it. That's inside.
No inside.
Wow.
So it's just a simple, guys. Same brand also. Honey. And we will try this soon. So for tonight, we're going to try this one.
I'm afraid. I'm scared.
Do we need to put anything on our face or no?
I don't know.
How about the instruction? There's an instruction, guys. It's written in English, I think.
Yeah. Posterior or massaging the face with hot towel. The face with hot towel. Or facial steamer to steam facial skin for 5 to 8 minutes.
Okay, the first step, guys, is to use hot steamer or massage and clean the face with hot towel or facial steamer for about 5 to 8 minutes. And then step 2, apply the Blackhead Derived liquid. Blackhead is not provided, so it's not included with this. On the facial parts for 5 to 8 minutes to completely open the skin pores. And then wipe the liquid off your skin to prevent the machine from being damaged by soaking liquid. Press the power button and choose the mode. And then step 3, after using it, as it can lead to slight bruises and redness. It is completely normal to have slight bruising for the first 2 days of use. Your skin will get back to normal later on. It is normal for any effective system to cause some discomfort before you can see results. Please don't get discouraged by the slight bruises. In avoid to serious redness or bruises, please do not stay on one spot of your skin for over 2 seconds. Okay, so that's it. So there must be a liquid to put first on your skin before to use this one. Okay, and redness and bruises, it's normal. They said here.
For 2 days.
Yes, for 2 days.
First
because
2 days.
You know of the sucking, mode of this one. Of course, it's normal. Our skin will be red. So I think for today we were gonna try, I think, the
Hair straightener.
hair straightener because we don't have the liquid yet for the facial. Okay, so let's start.
A few moments later.
Okay guys, we already start to on this hair straightener.
There's a steam.
See, there's a light inside. So we set to
Wow, that's steam.
510 Fahrenheit.
I think we should off the fan.
See guys. Oh wait, there's a smoke.
That's why we need to off the fan.
We try 430. It's not really hot. Be 430. There's a smell.
I think you should try 500.
We're not professional on doing this, guys. It's our first time. Just want to try. How is it?
A few moments later.
Wow, it's
Okay guys, we're almost done.
Oh, it's so
So
smooth.
your hair now is kind of straight already. You do something.
How long is it? Ah, okay. Is it getting longer? Right here?
Yeah, once it's straight.
After one? The after. Ano mo ba?
Oh, wait, so there's no background.
Wow, it's so long. Alas luar. Perfect eh.
Jauh kan?
Jauh eh. I need to marker. How? Wait, I actually wanted this time.
Okay, we can. Oh, nice. Okay, guys, we are done ironing Sophia's hair. You guys see it's nice now, more straight. Just now it's wavy. So, what do you think about this product?
It's good.
It's nice, guys. We recommend this, you know, hair straightener from Sokany, I think. So it's nice. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Now her hair is straight. Next is me later on. So hope you like, guys, our video for today, and don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Bye. See you again next time.